Global supply chain management is an area that is very critical to any multinational corporation.
Supply chains really underpin the delivery of products and services. We can have a great business model that says, let's get the product to the customer in 1 day or the same day or in 3 hours. But how are you going to execute that? The only way to execute it is by having a supply chain that supports it, that can be both efficient and effective.
I think that the good companies today are looking at how they extract costs from the supply chain, how do they do a more efficient job in delivery of product. And it was an important thing for us to get our students exposed to the concept of supply chain management.
Here in Los Angeles, we are the melting pot of the world. And certainly from the point of view of distribution, it has become a major area with the 2 largest ports in the world, the airline community, LAX, and the major railroads being based here in Southern California. We are the key spot for certainly import and export traffic.
The prime objective of our program is to diffuse the learning curve. In a traditional working setup, it would take you 16 to 17 years of working experience to be successful. We are trying to get that done in 16 months of a program. Our student body is very diverse. They are from 18 to 20 different countries participating globally. I think it's critical to have the student body that is diverse, that creates the network and opportunities for each other to connect within the respective countries and tap onto the resources needed to be successful in global supply chain management. We take a very holistic approach of delivering the education, understanding the need of the industry, and providing the tools and training that makes our students successful. We have designed and built our core curriculum with application of Lean Six Sigma, which allows students to be ready to implement the continuous improvement and create the savings for the company as soon as they graduate, so their return on investment is rapid. We also take our students in international trips. We believe having students see the Singapore, which has ability to move and monitor the supply chain infrastructure that is best in world, and it is imperative for students to understand how they can duplicate some of the learnings from Singapore experience to their company and their projects.
I've already applied what I've learned in class. It's been a great experience for me because it's real time for me. Whatever I learn in the program, I'm able to use that at work immediately.
We started the Center for Supply Chain at the same time as the Master Program in Supply Chain. Primary objective of the center is NEAR, Network Education and Advanced Research. We cannot educate and just prepare the students with their knowledge in a classroom, be able to affiliate with industry and have a direct access to resources, both from the industry perspective as well as from advanced research that we do at the center. I think the reason supply chain is an exciting industry because we have become so global in the way we think, we do, we consume, we produce, and more than ever, through the history of human civilization, we have become so integrated and interdependent that future lifestyles and our consumption patterns will demand us to really look at the supply chain with the different ways than we have done it for hundreds of years.